Hey friends, Danny Litvin from the Ayurveda and Yoga Institute, and today I'm so happy to be leading you guys through a practice of Nadi Shodhana for deep relaxation and energetic cleansing. Nadi Shodhana is a supremely accessible technique that serves really well as a training and prep for meditation, and as you'll see today, it's very healing in its own right. If you have any questions on how to perform Nadi Shodhana, we've just released a video going into the technique, modifications, and benefits of the practice. There's a link for it in the description right below. And other than that, let's get started. Find a comfortable sitting position. It could be one where your legs are crossed. You could be kneeling, sitting in a chair. Whatever seat which will be comfortable for you. One where you can sit with a tall spine, ears over your shoulders, long back of your neck, and crown of your head reaching skywards. When you find your comfortable seat, begin to watch your breath. Notice the inhales and the exhales. Perhaps you feel the coolness around the nostrils with the inhales, the warmth leaving with the exhales. As you inhale, feel your stomach expand, your ribs expand, your chest rise. Even your low, middle, and upper back gently push back behind you. Exhales are a simple relaxation on out. Let the breath be smooth, gentle, and enjoyable, almost as if you were inviting the breath in. Allow yourself to begin to watch the flow of the breath. Inhales begin about 6 inches underneath your nostrils, feeling the air rise into the nose, up into that third eye center, down the throat, through the chest, all the way down along the spine to the tailbone. Exhales rising up the spine, through the third eye center, out the nostrils and into the air around you. Perhaps you begin to feel the inhales are energizing, vitalizing, refreshing. The exhales are cleansing, pacifying, easing. Keeping your hands resting on your lap, begin to visualize the flow of Nadi Shodhana. So with your next inhale, feel as if the air was flowing in through the right nostril, down the right side of your spine, all the way to the right side of the tailbone. With the exhale, the air shifts over, rises up the left side of the spine and out the left nostril. With the inhale in the left nostril, down the left side of the spine. With the exhale, shift to the right side of the spine, up the right side and out the right nostril. And continue to flow at this pace. Every exhale switches to the other side of the spine. Now prepare Vishnu Mudra with your right hand by taking the pointer and middle finger into the base of the hand. The thumb, ring finger, and little finger will stick on out. Draw Vishnu Mudra so the pointer and middle finger are right underneath the nostrils. After the next exhale, close the left nostril with the ring finger and little finger. Inhale through the right. Feel the air flow all the way down the right side of the spine. Close the right nostril with the thumb, exhale out the left. Energy flows up the left and out. Inhale through the left nostril, down the left side of the spine. Close the left, open the right, out the right, up the right side. Continue at this pace. Every exhale you switch nostrils. Every exhale is cleansing, almost as if any trauma, pain, suppression leaves the body. Every new inhale is an opportunity to start anew, to bring new life in, new experiences in, and a new mindset. If it's possible, and it will not create strain or stress, allow the length of the inhale and exhale to grow by 1 second. You want the breath to be as long as is possible, without causing strain, and without feeling the need to gasp in for air. After your next exhale through your left nostril, release the hand down and release that awareness of the energetic orbit. Take some comprehensive, unifying breaths. One final opportunity to flush out anything that no longer serves you with the exhales, and to bring in full, deep, inspiring inhales. Whenever you're ready, blink your eyes open and enjoy the rest of your day. Namaste.